3 powerful ingredients that will help you to last longer. So before I proceed on these 3 powerful ingredients, my name is Kenneth Os. I make videos on men's secrets and natural ways to keep men. If you are new on this channel or today is your first time to come across this channel, consider to subscribe because I make videos on men's secrets and natural ways to keep men. My name is Kenneth Os. So what are the 3 ingredients that will help you to last longer? With these 3 ingredients, you will power like a horse, you will be a king, and you will ride like a horse. So make sure that you watch this video from the beginning to the very end to know how to mix these 3 ingredients to get accurate results. Once you mix these 3 ingredients, it will be a magic even at night. So the 3 ingredients are: number 1 is egg. Egg, very important. Number 2 is milk, and the last is honey. All you have to do is to bring egg, raw egg, not cooked one, raw egg. Break it and bring out the contents. Stir it or mix it very well and add milk. After adding milk, add 1 spoon of honey. Once you do this, drink it naturally. If you do it within 2 times or 3 times, you will see that you will have more energy and you will power like a horse. And without infection in your body system and with your consistency on this recipe, you will always be a man of 1 hour. I bet you this is the best natural manpower. It is very simple but very powerful. So try it, and not only that, this recipe will make you to last longer. It will boost up your immune system. It will help you to have a thick semen or sperm. You will be energetic. You will have enough stamina, and you will have the best power like a horse. So that is it in today's video, and that is what I want to share in today's video. At least these 3 ingredients are natural. Consider taking them consistently to be the best man you want to be. If you get value, consider to hit the like button, subscribe to be a member of this channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload video concerning men and natural ways to keep men. If you have questions and comments, do not hesitate to drop it in the comments from below. Comment on this video, let me know what you think. Or you want any video from me, put it in the comments from below. I will do that video or reply your comments as soon as possible. Once again, like and share this video to your friends and families. See you in my next video. Have a nice day. Bye.